Understanding Cautionary Tale, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, cautionary tale. This phrase is often used in literature, movies, and everyday conversation, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. A cautionary tale is a story or narrative that warns about the consequences of certain actions, behaviors, or character flaws. The key purpose of these tales is to teach a lesson or impart wisdom, often through the misfortunes or mistakes of the characters in the story. They are designed to be memorable and to encourage us to think about the consequences of our actions. Historically, many fairy tales and fables served as cautionary tales. For instance, Little Red Riding Hood warns about the dangers of talking to strangers. In modern times, movies, books, and even news stories can serve as cautionary tales. They might highlight the dangers of addiction, greed, or other risky behaviors. You can use this phrase when discussing stories or real-life events that serve as a warning. For example, the story of Icarus is a classic cautionary tale about the dangers of overconfidence. Her experience with online scams is a cautionary tale for all of us about internet safety. Cautionary tales are important because they help pass down wisdom and lessons from one generation to the next. They often reflect cultural values and norms, teaching us what is considered right or wrong in a particular society. Thank you for joining me today to learn about cautionary tales. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, these tales are more than just stories. They're lessons in disguise. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.